Somebody undresses Prince Charles for him. Mark Wahlberg has a human alarm clock.
Ceelo Green pays a sweat wiper.
Things haven't been easy for Ceelo Green since he catapulted to fame following his stint in Gnarls Barkley and the release of his solo album Lady Killer. He has been marred in controversy following drug charges and Twitter outbursts. Maybe this is why he needs someone to wipe the sweat from his brow. According to several sources, someone from his entourage is tasked with wiping his sweat away while another simply has to unwrap and place chewing gum in his mouth. More Ceelo Green. The best Ceelo Green albums. Ranked 1155 of 1728. The best rock bands of all time. 1205 of 1891. The greatest musical artists of all time.
Rod Stewart has his own room-darkening team.
There is nothing more important to singer and musician Rod Stewart than getting all of the sleep he needs so he has energy to perform on stage. This means he cannot have any natural or artificial light entering his hotel room before a show, as this could keep him awake. To ensure this never happens, Stewart has his own team of people who go to locations before him to darken the rooms by taping up openings and cracks. More Rod Stewart. The best Rod Stewart albums of all time. 48 of 603. The best rock vocalists. 259 of 739. The best singers of all time.
Ludacris used to pay someone to carry extra Game Boy batteries.
There is nothing worse than having your valuable piece of electronic equipment run out of power. Ludacris didn't have that problem in the early 2000s, as he had an assistant whose job was to carry spare batteries for his Game Boy and changing them when they were empty. More Ludacris. The best songs. Feat. Ludacris. 67 of 235. The greatest rappers of all time. 826 of 1891. The greatest musical artists of all time.
Lady Gaga needed a nighttime cuddler.
Lady Gaga needed a nighttime cuddler. T&K requires a nipple pincher to get her amped for performances.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.